In this video, I'll show you how to export videos for TikTok using Premiere Pro. First, navigate to the Sequence menu and select Sequence Settings. Change the resolution so it is set to 1080 by 1920. This is the vertical format used by TikTok. Next, go to the Effect Controls panel, adjust the scale and position of your video until the main subject is perfectly centered within the new vertical frame. Click Export to open the Export Settings window. Find the preset section and choose the option labeled Match Source High Bitrate. Then, expand the video settings and click on the More button. Make sure to activate both the depth and quality options for the best results. Finally, click the Export button to save your video, and it will be ready to share on TikTok.